how to customize game booster for individual games on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on advanced features. After click on advanced features, scroll down and click on game booster settings. After click on game booster settings, so if you want to customize game booster for individual games, you will see customize for individual games. If you want to customize, so click on game. Your games is showing here, click on game. After click on games, so customize game, customization, preference, performance and balanced, battery saver, FPS and screen resolution. So after customization, click on save, go back to home screen. So that's how you can customize game booster for individual game on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.